Hello viewers, peace be upon you and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to create shapefiles from Google Earth Pro app or Google Earth web. For this you have to install a Google Earth Pro app in your desktop or computer. If you don't have a Google Earth Pro app, then it's okay, you can do it from Google Earth web. Open your Google Earth web, then type here your location. I want Dhaka Arija Highway, then click on search. You will be moved to the place where you have entered. Okay, if you want to uh, place a place mark, then you have to click here, and for this you have to create a folder first. Just click on temporary places, then you have to right click on your mouse, then click on add, then click on folder, then type your folder name Dhaka Arija Highway, then click OK. After clicking this one, Dhaka Arija Highway, you can add your place mark or point if you want. Here you can relocate anywhere you want. Okay, I am keeping it here. You can change the name like point 1. Okay, I am changing the name of the place mark. P1. You can also change the style, color of your place mark. I want red and scale 3, icon color green 3. Okay, U1, here you see. And this is so big. Let's change from properties, icon size 1 is good, or 1.5 we can use. Okay, you can add more points from clicking just here. P2. Okay, like this. If you want to relocate this one, then just click on the right button on mouse, then click on properties, then relocate this one like here, then click OK. Let's add a pathway. So for this, just click on here, name 1, change color to green, pink. Okay, 2.5. Okay, then click here. This will create a pathway. Okay, you can change the width to 5. Here you see, now it is more visible before than before. Okay, this is the way how you add a path line. Okay, after that I will show you how to create a polygon from Google Earth Pro, just click here, shape 1, change the color uh, to blue, 2, change the fill outline, yellow, filled and outlined you can change it to outlined or to filled only. Then select your polygon, just clicking on mouse. Okay, this one you can just click OK, then it will be saved here. You can change the properties from clicking right button on mouse, then click on properties, just change color, view altitude, or you can change the measurement units like square kilometers or meters. Click OK. And now I will show you how to measure an area or line. Just click show ruler, then you can uh, measure a line, path, or polygon or circle, anything. Just change it. If I want to measure polygon, I will get perimeter and area. Let's measure this one. I want this area and the perimeter. Okay, here you see the perimeter is 135.02 meters and the area 1140.67 square meters. You can save it or clear it, and from this show ruler, from ruler you can calculate the area or line or path of a place. You will also get historical images or historical uh, photos of this area or location from clicking this icon. Here you see a icon of watch, just click on here and you will get a scale like this. And if you change the scale, then you will get the images before. Here you see I selected 2005 and the scenario is completely different from before, this one. And if you want to save this file or this shapefile, if you want to save, then just do it from file section, then click on save, save file as. If you click on save file as, then you will get two options, KMZ and KML. You can choose anyone, KML or KMZ, it's okay. Shapefile of Dhaka Aricha Highway, then click save. It will be saved on your desktop. You can open anytime. And if you want to take image from this one, from this page, just click save image, then you will get the resolution uh, measurements, and you can change the resolution as per your requirements. Just click here, change image resolution, then you can change as per your requirements. And you can also change from here what you want. If you don't want legend, then deselect it, or if you want HTML area, then click here. Anything you can want, you can do, you can what you want. Then you can just click on save and get your results. Okay, now I will show you the file I saved is okay. This one I saved on my desktop, shape file of Dhaka Richa highway. Open. Here you see the page is opened, and all the shape files I have drawn is as the same. So you can do it very easily with Google Earth Pro app. And hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.